Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Gymshark Sale 2021 and I'll let you know about this sale, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, it is an online shopping store or portal which is based in United Kingdom that deals with women's and men's footwear including bottoms and leggings, crop tops, shorts, sports bras, swimwear, t-shirts and tops, underwears, vest and other accessories like bags, bottles, equipment, hardwares and socks. And for men's, they are offering various products including hoodies and jackets, bottoms, tracksuits, t-shirts and tops and other essentials as well. Now let's take a look at the website's homepage and let's talk about the payment info. So you can see the modes of payment which are available on the site are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal and Apple Pay. Now coming to the shipping policy of this website, you need to visit the delivery information page. So guys, this is the delivery information, but to know more about the delivery information, you need to select particular country name. So yes, the citizens of various countries including Canada and United States are curious to know about this website. So talking about the delivery info, for Canada it will take around 3 to 6 working days. Then again you need to select another country, and according to our study we have found that for United Kingdom it will take around 2 working days. For United States it will take around 4 to 7 working days. So guys, you can simply put the country name here. Let me show you the delivery duration for United Kingdom. So it will take around 2 working days as per the information. So you can also check out the delivery information for different countries as well according to your convenience and according to your requirement as well. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this particular site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection and has an SSL certificate that makes the site quite legit. And apart from that, talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 16th of September 2011, and the site is many years old website guys, which is a positive sign, and this defines its legitimacy for sure. Now coming to the about us information of this particular site. So this is the about us page. Here they have mentioned the entire info related to the brand connection info, offering information, business establishment year, business owner name and various information. So they have mentioned the name of the owners, founder, chief executive officer, chief people officer, chief commercial officer as well. So they have mentioned the entire names and entire information. So this is again a positive sign. They have also mentioned the core values as well. And for contact details, they have mentioned the email addresses for media and press inquiries, for general business and for customer service inquiries. So they have provided the email addresses here. You can read out the email address for your knowledge guys. Now coming to the social media presence, so you can see the site has various social media icons available, and apart from that the site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and YouTube, and it comes with lakhs of followers on Facebook and millions of followers, which is 5.2 million followers on Instagram, and on Twitter it comes with 306.2k followers, and on YouTube it comes with 289k followers. So this is an amazing thing guys. The site has huge followers, which is a positive sign. You can take a look here, and they have posted 3829 posts as well. So this defines its legitimacy guys. And talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So for that you need to visit the return policy page, and here they have mentioned 90 days of return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And talking about the contact details, guys, they have provided the contact details in this page as well, and they have not provided the company's official address or contact number, which is a negative sign, but yes, they have provided the different email addresses as well, which is a positive sign. Now talking about Gymshark sale 2021 reviews, so no reviews are available on the official website, guys, which is a negative sign, and we didn't found customer reviews about this site on the internet as well. But yes, the trust index score of the site is 86%, which is really very good. It means that the site is popular. And guys, the domain name of this website is old, which is a positive sign regarding the legitimacy point. And they have provided the entire required information on the website as well. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be a legit website, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, guys. I request you all to share your experience with this website as well, so that other customers can avail the benefits before investing their money. Guys, for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.